Here's how I made this easy gathered strap dress for kids. Guys, this is a beginner friendly tutorial and it is very easy to make. I'll be taking you on a step-by-step method on how I made it. Now, what you just need for this tutorial is just your fabric. With me here and with an ankara fabric, and it's not even up the yard, so you can use any fabric of your choice. Now, you determine how gathered you want your dress to be when you're done. So you cut how wide for the width of your dress. So I'm gonna have to cut two pieces of 24 inches for the width of my gathered gown. That is what I'm going to be using for it. So I cut out two pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Now the length here, it totally depends on you also. So the length here I'm using is 19 inches. So mind you, I'm making this for a 1 year plus child. So guys, I'm gonna have to fold this again. So now it is folded into 4 parts. Now that is the normal way we fold our dress. I hope you know. Now the next thing I'll have to do, I'm just showing you, is folded into 4. Now the next thing I have to do is from this shoulder point here, I'll be coming in by 1.5 inches, just like this. I just gave it the mark. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to place my tape from this point here, and I came down by 3 inches. Now after doing that, I went ahead to form a armhole. I hope you can see it. The next thing we are going to do is to cut that armhole out just like this. So guys, please pay attention carefully. Now, after doing that, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to open this up so that you can see it clearly. So this is what we have. We have our 2 pieces ready, one for the front and one for the back. And the next thing I have to do is to fold the armhole. You can go ahead and pipe it or use bias for this, but for me, I'm just folding it. Now I'll do the same thing on all the 4 sides of our armhole. Guys, after doing that, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is it. I've done that. Now next thing I have to do is to form our channel where we are going to insert our rope. Remember, this cloth has where we are going to put our rope. That's part that is going to form the gathers. So I'm going to be folding this first with 1/2 inch and then further fold it with 1 inch. I hope you see the way I folded it. So I'll do that and show you. This is what it looks like, guys, after I was done doing that. I hope you can see. I've done that for the 2 pieces. Now the next thing I have to do is stitch both sides of both the front and the back. So I'll just face it front facing front. So see the way I placed it. So this is the front part, and I'll bring the other part and place it like this. So front facing front, and I'll go ahead now and stitch the sides using 1/2 inch. I hope you understand me. So I'll stitch using 1/2 inch on both sides. Guys, I am done stitching and this is what it looks like. You can see how neat it's looking like. So use 1/2 inch for this. Having done that, the next thing we have to do is to bring our rope we are going to use to insert inside our channel we created. So I'm gonna have to cut out a rope. So the measurement you use is cut out a piece of fabric. The length should be about 25 inches, then the width should be about 1.5 inch. So I did that and folded it. So cut out 2 ropes for this. So I'll be passing the first rope into this channel you can see over here. So do yours exactly the way you see me doing mine. So guys, I've passed this here using my safety pin, and I'll go ahead and also do the same thing for the second rope like this, and I'll be passing it into the second channel that is for the back. I hope you can see. So guys, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notifications so that you'll be among the first to receive a notification whenever I upload new amazing tutorials. So guys, over here, I'm done inserting it into the second channel. Now the next thing I have to do is I just removed my safety pin, and I'm just going to make it evenly. See the way I'm doing that on both of those channels, our ropes. I'll make it evenly. After doing that, I'll just come here and just give it a bow tie at this tip here. So you can tie it however you want. And I'll also do the same thing for these other parts, just like this. Guys, isn't this tutorial so easy and beginner friendly? If yes, tell me when you're going to be making one for yourself. So you can make this for your sister, for your child, or for your niece. It's so cute and easy to make, guys. So the last thing we have to do for our gown is to fold the tip. So I'll be using about 1/2 inch to do that. And that is it, guys. That is all in the making of this beautiful gathered strap dress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do well to like this video, share this video to someone who you think will find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.